And we are here to tell you really cool things about colors.
Do you want to stay with us?
There are 3 primary colors. I'm cyan blue. I'm a great color.
I'm yellow, the most beautiful color of all. I'm so cool, right?
No way. I am magenta, the coolest of them all, right?
All right. Calm down, guys. Let's explain to our friends why we are the primary colors.
Being primary colors means...
Oh, yellow. You don't get anything. Being primary colors means that by using our colors, we can create all other colors.
Good explanation, magenta. Should we mix together to make secondary colors?
Yes.
Secondary colors are the ones that are made from mixing primary colors. Who wants to start making colors?
Me.
Do you know what secondary color we will get from mixing yellow and magenta?
It is the color red. Welcome, friend.
Hello! Thanks for making me friends.
Wow, just from mixing magenta and yellow, we get red. Let's see what secondary color we will get from mixing yellow and me.
It's green. It's amazing.
What's up, guys? I'm so glad you made me. Thanks.
Amazing! From mixing blue and yellow, we get green.
We still have to make another color by mixing blue and magenta. Let's see what secondary color we get.
It's cobalt blue. So cool.
Hello! Thanks for making me.
What an awesome color.
Now we have all the secondary colors. Green, red, and cobalt blue.
We have all these thanks to mixing the primary colors. Cyan, blue, magenta, and yellow. As you already know, we are the primary colors, cyan, magenta, and me, yellow. You also know that we are secondary colors, cobalt blue, green, and red, which is me.
And now we are going to explain to you
Tertiary colors.
Tertiary colors are the colors we get when we mix equal amounts of primary and secondary colors together. How about we mix some of the colors together to understand it better? Great idea, friend. Let's start with yellow. What color will we get if we mix yellow and red?
Let's try it.
Wow, it's so cool. What color is it?
It's orange! Welcome, friend! So awesome! Now, I want to mix myself with green. 1, 2, and 3!
We got another tone of green. It's my cousin, light green. Welcome. Cyan, you and I should mix together to see what color we will get. Of course.
Green, you have another cousin! Turquoise green!
I have so many cousins.
my turn. Can I try?
Of course! Will you try it with me?
Yes. 1, 2, and 3.
It's fuchsia! What a cool color! Hey, magenta, what if you mix together with cobalt blue? What color will you get?
Let's see. Come here, Cobalt, and let's check it out. 1, 2, and 3.
It's violet. What a great color. Hello, Violet. There are several more tertiary colors. Try it out at home. As you now know, to make a tertiary color, you only need to mix equal parts of a primary and secondary colors together. You have so many combinations. Let's review the colors we created today. Orange, light green, turquoise green, violet, and fuchsia.
We have learned about so many colors. That's enough for today, guys.
See you later!
Did you like this video about tertiary colors? We have so many more. Subscribe here by clicking on the seal. If you want to keep watching more videos, click on the squares.